success moment yesterday. I used the "Have you given up on us?"
Yeah.
By Mary.
Yep.
It was, "Oh no, absolutely not. I want to do it." So it works.
It works. Now I want to throw an asterisk on this. Okay, what did Cal do yesterday? He pulled the pin and he freaking threw a hand grenade. Okay, so use it with caution. It's a really good tool. Hey, I just want to be. Have you given up on Open Table? Because if they say yes, you still have your net outcome statement, but it's a little bit harder because they've said they've given up. But to Cal's point, most of the time they don't say that. Then they give you the reason why they've delayed. We had a real problem. Our executive chef left. He's now opened his own place. They'll start coming up with all these excuses.
Hey, Dad, what's the fastest way to start making more money in sales?
All right, it's not the only way, but the fastest way is to learn a simple system for closing. And I'm going to help everybody out on that right now. We've got a closing mini masterclass at Easton University. It's $300. Not for you. I'm going to cover the cost for you. I'll pay the $300. Just click the link here. You're going to get my closing mini masterclass for free. This is the fastest way for you to make more money. We're going to become best friends. You're going to be like, Matt Easton, I love you, I love you, I love you. And I'm going to be like, I love you too, because you're going to be closing a lot more deals. I'm covering the cost. Click the link. Let's get you closing.